Hi guys, I'm Justin Hernandez. I used to do bodybuilding for about 5 years or 6 years, but now I've transitioned to CrossFit. In my opinion, bodybuilding is really not that different from CrossFit. Hindi katulad po ng iniisip ng iba. Because in bodybuilding, you also do squats, deadlifts, pull-ups, shoulder presses. You even do cardio to easily burn fat, to speed up your metabolism. Okay? Or to burn more calories. In CrossFit, ginagawa din natin yun. You just do a lot of things more. Kasi in cross training, gusto natin maging malakas in as many aspects as possible. Gusto mong maging malakas sa weightlifting, gusto mong maging malakas sa gymnastics, and gusto mong i-improve yung cardiovascular endurance mo. Okay? Now, what I love about CrossFit is, in cross-training, natuto akong mag-handstand walk, natuto akong mag-double unders, natuto akong mag-muscle ups, natuto akong mag-snatch, natuto akong mag-clean and jerk. Yung endurance ko, I believe, nag-improve siya. So, madaming things na hindi ko nagagawa dati, nagagawa ko na siya ngayon because of cross-training. That's what I like about cross-training. In cross-training, if you work hard enough, you don't even need to be that strict on your diet in order for you to have a summer-ready body all year long. Okay? Pwedeng laging nandyan yung abs mo kahit hindi ka maging that strict on your diet. But of course, hindi ko naman sinasabi na hindi importante yung pagda-diet. Of course, kailangan mo rin siyang i-mind. Okay? In cross-training, you eat, in nutritional aspects, you eat carbs, you eat fats, but just enough to support energy for your workout. Not enough para mag-gain tayo ng body fat. Benefits of CrossFit for you? Siyempre, of course, functional. It is functional. When you say functional, in your daily life, nagagamit mo siya. Pag naglalakad tayo, pag meron kang anak, buwan ka ng anak mo, functional, meaning you can use it in your daily life. Next is you'll become more fitter. Your cardiovascular and respiratory system, it will improve. Okay, mas nagiging healthy. And your strength, yung capability mo to lift weights, it also improves. Your body fat will decrease. Okay, if you are looking to burn a lot of body fat, since cross-training is, yun nga, sobrang dami mong ginagawa, you'll be burning a lot of body fat. And in cross-training, you will be doing a lot of movements that you haven't done before. In my personal opinion, guys, yun, ang dami mong movements na magagawa. Kaya ko pala. Yung na before, hindi mo, akala mo gymnastics lang makakagawa, akala mo weightlifters lang makakagawa, akala mo mga marathon runners or sprinters lang makakagawa. Kahit pala tayo, kaya din pala natin gawin. And lastly, magiging gwapo tayo sa CrossFit. As I have said, if you want to start cross-training, you need to be strong in weightlifting, gymnastics, and your cardiovascular endurance need to be strong too. Okay? So, let's start with weightlifting. In weightlifting, you'll be as you get stronger, you'll be doing snatch, you'll be doing clean and jerk. Pero ano yung pinaka-foundation ng movements na yun? 2 movements. It is the squats and the shoulder presses. So if you want to be successful in cross-training, I believe kailangan mong maging malakas sa squats and overhead presses or shoulder presses. And when it comes to weightlifting, in weightlifting, 2 basic movements again. You need to be strong in pull-ups and dips. If you get stronger in pull-ups and with the dips, eventually, matututo na din tayong gumawa ng muscle-ups. Muscle-ups, ito yung from the pull-up, iangat mo yung body mo, and then itataas mo yung body mo sa dips. Okay? And then lastly, again, cardiovascular endurance. Or in cross-training or in CrossFit, they call it metabolic conditioning. Kailangan condition yung metabolism mo. Okay? Kailangan condition ka. Okay? How do you achieve this? For me, to achieve this, you need to do a lot of rowing or even running. Pwede mo siyang samahan ng burpees or double unders. Okay? So to achieve this, kailangan mo ng mga movements or kailangan mo ng workout na tumataas yung heart rate mo. That's it. Workouts that will ramp up your heart rate. And in cross-training, pwede mo din halu-haluin. Pwede mo din i-mix up yung tatlo. Pwede mo i-mix up yung weightlifting, yung gymnastics, and the conditioning part or the cardiovascular endurance part. So, probably in one workout, maybe you can do 1 squat, you do 10 squats. Right after the 10 squats, you do 10 pull-ups right away. And then after the 10 pull-ups, you run for 400 meters. And then you do that for 3 rounds or 4 rounds. So that's kind of what we do in our program. Pero pwede mo din naman siyang hiwalayin. But sometimes, mix up. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel. Stay tuned. Next time, I will be talking more about cross-training. Maybe give you some advice on how to do it better, more properly. Share you my personal experience. Peace out.